sorry about that, guys. That's much better. Oh, let's screenshot that too. Oh. Hey guys. I totally forgot. Okay, hold this. I want to mix the rest. That's actually really pretty color. I mean, color. What is wrong with me? Mix all the Shopkins. Oh,
All of them?
yes.
Okay, guys.
Shopkin slime.
Ready? We have this. Don't
Milk.
Moo Moo milk slime. I mean, Shopkins.
Moo moo milk. Bam.
Oh, you're gonna take them out right after.
No.
Next, we have this blue Moo Moo milk.
Moo moo milk in the house.
Can you pull that? Next, we have this shoe
It's a set. This shoe.
with this one. Matches.
Bye-bye.
And then next, we have the hats. We have the cotton candy winter hat, the yellow summer hat, the red party hat, the blue rainy day hat, as you can see, and then the other rain hat.
Oh my gosh, it just said right there. Okay. More, I tell you more. Oh.
You didn't get any more.
Okay,
Oh,
this is
found one.
officially a
Should we mix some
Shopkin
more?
slime.
Should we mix those? Let's make it. I really want to. I don't know why. Oh, that's such a pretty color.
I know, it's like a magenta. Okay, let's flip that around. Look at that. Oh, okay. That's like a really good slime. Do you have any more Shopkins that you don't want?
Oh, I do. We
Like
can
that.
put it in after.
Okay.
Okay. I think we should mix in this.
Yeah. I'll do half, you do the other half.
Okay.
That's not bad slime at all, guys.
And I did not make this, guys. Oh, that looks so pretty together. I think we should do this.
No.
No, I don't think it'll ruin it because it's too big.
Still no. Let's do this. No, it's empty. Not this.
This one.
Yeah. I want the first one. Feel it. The first one.
Okay, I think I should want to put it in. And it's like this because there's like a big shop. This table.
It won't make a difference though.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, guys. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is the prettiest slime ever. Can I keep a little bit?
You said I couldn't keep a little bit of that, so no.
Because it's my favorite slime.
This is one of my favorite slimes now.
Okay. Remember, it was my S2. It's a Shopkin slime, guys. Go check it out on Instagram. We'll put it.
Yeah, we'll put it on our Instagram.
Do you have Instagram?
Of course I do. We post it on it all the time. Are you being silly right now?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I saw it.
What? Okay,
Oh,
should
here's
we
the
add this?
The size you want.
Maybe.
$1. I'll add it to a different one. I'll add it to this one. I think we'll make it look better though.
Nah.
A little bit maybe?
Where'd it go?
Oh, it's been all sended.
I know, that's why I didn't want to. Okay, guys, just a little bit won't hurt. What the heck? What was this for? Baby.
Okay. So here's the slime. Let's give it
Ow.
some ASMR.
What was that?
Oh, it's the Shopkin.
No. It was like something spiky.
Here, close the door. We need to do some ASMR.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the TV's on downstairs. Okay, guys, ready? It's kind of hard because there's Shopkins in here. Bye-bye. Please leave me now, guys.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, bye. Perfect way to end the video.
Oh, you're here.
Please subscribe
And like.
Bye. That's my arm. Bye.